Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematical Side Trips. Today we will talk about Speed Calculation 4, formulas and tricks, getting answers more quickly. So this is our channel name, Mathematical Side Trips. I am Napoleon A. Gaking Jr., a mathematics teacher. So just like in Speed Calculation 1, videos Speed Calculation 1, Speed Calculation 2, and Speed Calculation 3, I will just be silent for a few minutes, for a few frames or slides, and then I will speak again when we come to the part where the first 5 of the problems will be solved. Okay, so now we are going to solve the first 5 problems. So number 1, A is equal to 101 plus 102 plus 103 and so on until 199. Here, formula 1 may be used. However, we can also solve this by reversing the order in which the numbers are written, meaning write A as 199 plus 198 plus 197 and so on until 101. And then so we have 2 expressions for A, and then adding the 2 expressions we get 2A equals 99. So since there are 99 terms, which is obvious from 101 to 199, and then the sum is the same for its corresponding terms, 101 plus 199, which is 300. So dividing 2A by 2, we have 29,700 divided by 2, which is equal to 14,850, the final answer for letter A. And then letter B, 101 plus 104, so there's a gap or there's a difference of 3 between consecutive terms until the term 500. So this is an arithmetic progression where the first term A sub 1 is 101, the common difference is 3, and the number of terms is 134. So using the formula for the sum of the first n terms, so we have S sub 134 equals 134 over 2 times 101 plus 500, and we have 40,267 as the final answer. 3, we have a sum of squares from 1 to 17, but 4 squared, 8 squared, 12 squared, and 16 squared are missing. So we rewrite C as the sum of squares from 1 to 17, but we subtract those squares which are missing. So we have minus 4 squared, minus 8 squared, minus 12 squared, minus 16 squared. Or in this solution, we have written it as minus 4 squared times 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared. Okay, so the sum of the first 17 squares is equal to 1785, and the sum of the subtracted part, 4 squared times the sum of the squares from 1 to 4 is 480. So the final answer is 1305. Number 4, we have 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2 and so on. Observe that the sum of all the numerators whose denominator is n squared. For example, those fractions with denominator 2, the numerators are 1, 2, 1, which is 4, which is the square of 2. And those denominators, consider those fractions with denominator 3. So you have 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, which is 9. And 9 is the square of 3, and so on. So that is the pattern. Therefore, D is actually the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 2020. So we use the formula n times n plus 1 over 2, which is in this case is 2020 times 2021 over 2, which gives us the final answer 2,041,210. And then letter E, or number 5, E is equal to 1 and 2/3 plus 2 and 8/9 plus 3 and 26 over 27 plus 4 over 80, 4 and 80 over 81 plus and so on plus 12, 3 to the 12 minus 1 over 3 to the 12. So notice that the numerator is 1 less than the denominator in the fractional part. And in fact, we can rewrite each of the addends. 1 and 2/3 can be written as 2 minus 1/3, and 2 and 8 over 9 can be written as 3 minus 1 over 9, and so on. So therefore, E is equal to 2 minus 1/3 plus 3 minus 1 over 9 plus 4 minus 1 over 27, and so on. So the integer part is the sum of 2 plus 3 plus and so on until 13. And the sum of the fractional parts is 1/3 plus 9 and so on until 1 over 3 to the 12. And so we have the final answer 89 and 531,442 over 1,062,882. The rest of the solutions will be given a week from now in a video titled Speed Calculation 4A. So watch out for it. So here we have problem 6, 7, and 8 in this slide. And then the next slide has problems 9, 10, and 11. The next slide contains problems 12, 13, and 14. And the next slide contains problems 15, 16, and 17. So you will be given the solutions to these questions at least a week from now in a video titled Speed Calculation 4A. So that is all for now. Enjoy calculating. Thank you for visiting this channel and God bless.